I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing the essentials. Confirm your carrier supports personal hotspot and that you have hotspot data. Once done, plug a certified USB-C cable between the iPhone 15 and the computer. This model uses USB-C, so use a proper cable to avoid power-only modes. When the computer asks, tap Trust on the iPhone and enter your passcode. Make sure the phone stays unlocked during initial setup, so the host machine recognizes the device and installs any needed drivers. Now enable tethering. Open Settings and go to Personal Hotspot, then toggle it on so the iPhone advertises an interface over USB. If you see Allow others to join or share across devices, keep it on so the phone exposes the USB network. On a Mac, the iPhone appears under System Settings Network as a new interface. On Windows, look in Network Connections for a new Apple device or adapter. Select that interface as your active connection. The phone will route internet through the USB link. Finish by verifying the connection. Open a browser or run a quick ping to confirm packets flow. If it fails, unplug and reconnect the cable, restart the iPhone and the computer, and make sure the computer has the latest Apple mobile drivers or iTunes components on Windows. Also check settings, Personal Hotspot still shows active, and that you tap Trust. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different certified cable. Many USB-C cables are power-only and won't pass data, which is the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.